Hiccups are something we've all experienced, whether it's during a meal, a fit of laughter, or even while simply sitting still. But have you ever wondered why we get them? It all starts with the diaphragm, a large muscle located just below your lungs that plays a key role in breathing. When you breathe in, the diaphragm contracts and moves downward, creating space for your lungs to expand. When you breathe out, the diaphragm relaxes and moves upward, helping to push air out of your lungs. Usually, this process is smooth and controlled, but sometimes things can go a little off track, leading to hiccups. Hiccups happen when the diaphragm suddenly and involuntarily contracts. This quick contraction causes a rapid intake of breath, which is then abruptly stopped by the closing of your vocal cords. That's what creates the familiar hic sound. But what triggers these sudden contractions? There are several common reasons why hiccups occur. One major cause is eating too quickly. When you eat fast, you might swallow air along with your food, which can irritate your diaphragm. Drinking carbonated beverages like soda is another trigger. The bubbles in these drinks can make your stomach expand, pushing against the diaphragm and setting off hiccups. Eating spicy foods can also be a culprit, as they may irritate the nerves connected to the diaphragm. Sometimes even excitement or sudden changes in temperature, like drinking a hot drink followed by a cold one, can lead to hiccups. The nervous system plays a crucial role in causing hiccups. The phrenic nerve, which runs from your neck to your diaphragm, helps control this muscle. If this nerve gets irritated, it can cause the diaphragm to contract suddenly, leading to hiccups. Similarly, the vagus nerve, which runs from the brainstem to the abdomen and helps regulate breathing, can also cause hiccups if overstimulated. Interestingly, humans aren't the only ones who get hiccups. Many animals, including cats, dogs, and even frogs, experience hiccups too. While the exact purpose of hiccups in animals isn't fully understood, it's clear that this reflex is something we share with many other creatures. Babies are particularly prone to hiccups. Hiccups in babies are usually harmless and might even help them develop the muscles needed for breathing. Most hiccups go away on their own after a few minutes, but sometimes they can stick around for a while. Hiccups that last for more than 48 hours are known as persistent hiccups and might require medical attention. Persistent hiccups can be caused by a variety of factors, including nerve damage, infections, or certain medications. There are many home remedies that people use to get rid of hiccups. Holding your breath is a popular one. By holding your breath, you increase the level of carbon dioxide in your blood, which might help calm the diaphragm. Drinking a glass of cold water quickly can also help, as the sudden change in temperature might interrupt the hiccup reflex. Some people find that pulling on their tongue or gently rubbing the back of their neck can stop hiccups. Others suggest swallowing a spoonful of sugar or biting on a lemon. While these remedies might work for some, there's no guaranteed way to stop hiccups. Hiccups have a few interesting quirks too. For instance, the world record for the longest hiccuping spree lasted for 68 years. Charles Osborne started hiccuping in 1922 and didn't stop until 1990. Hiccups have been known throughout history, with references in ancient medical texts, and in some cultures it's believed that hiccups occur when someone is thinking about you. While hiccups are usually harmless, there are times when they might be a sign of something more serious. If your hiccups last for more than 48 hours, or if they're causing you pain, it's a good idea to see a doctor. Persistent hiccups could be a symptom of an underlying condition, so it's important to get checked out. Hiccups are a quirky and sometimes annoying part of life, but they're also a fascinating glimpse into how our bodies work. Whether they last for a few minutes or become a persistent problem, understanding hiccups can help us better appreciate the complex systems at work inside us. So the next time you hiccup, remember that your diaphragm is just doing its job, even if it's a little overzealous. And who knows, maybe one day scientists will uncover the exact reason why we hiccup, and we'll finally have all the answers to this mysterious reflex. Until then, we can just hold our breath, take a sip of water, and wait for the hiccups to pass, knowing that they're just a small part of the incredible human body at work.